Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 8th for the subject of mathematics, chapter 1, rational numbers, which is being submitted to you on 19th April 2021. Children, in the last week assignment, we have discussed multiplication, division of rational numbers and its properties. Now, in today's topic, we will discuss word problems and very important representation of rational numbers on the number line. Students, in our daily life, we come across many problems which involve the use of rational numbers. Let us discuss few examples. So example number 1 is Neha cut a 21 1/4 meter long rope into pieces of 4 1/4 meter length each. How many pieces of rope did she get? So let's see how to solve this question. Total length of the rope is given, that is 21 1/4, that is equal to 85 upon 4 meter, right? Now length of one piece is already given in the question, that is 4 1/4 meter, that is equal to 17 upon 4 meter. So we have converted both the mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? Now number of pieces. Now how to get number of pieces? We'll divide the two, that is 85 upon 4 divided by 17 upon 4. So after solving this, the answer is 5. Therefore, she get 5 pieces. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us discuss example number 2. The length and breadth of a rectangular field are 3 2/3 meter and 2 3/4 meter respectively. Find the perimeter of the field. So here in the solution, length of field is 11 upon 3 meter, that is after converting into improper fraction. Breadth of field is 11 upon 4 meter, again converting into improper fraction. Clear? Now students, we know that perimeter of rectangular field will be 2 times length plus breadth. I hope you all know this formula. So let us put the values here. So 2 times, now length is 11 upon 3 and breadth is 11 upon 4. Let us take the LCM. Now LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So after solving this, our answer is 77 upon 6 meter. Now students, remember one very important point. Never ever keep your answer in improper fraction. Always convert into mixed fraction. That is very important. So it is 12 5 upon 6 meter. So therefore the perimeter of the field is 12 5 upon 6 meter. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Now let us discuss few questions from exercise 1D. So question number 1 given in your textbook is Ajay cut a 19 3 upon 5 meter long rope into two pieces of length. That is 3 1/4 meter and 8 1/2 meter. Find the length of the remaining rope. So the solution here is total length of rope is 19 3/5 meter. That is equal to 98/5 meter. Now length of two pieces is 3 1/4 meter plus 8 1/2 meter. Now let us convert both of them in improper fraction. That is 13/4 meter plus 17/2 meter. So after taking the LCM, we'll get the answer as 47/4 meter. Clear? Now according to the question, find the length of the remaining rope. So length of the remaining rope is total length, that is 98/5 minus 47/4. Now let us take the LCM and solve this. So after solving this, the answer is 157/20. Now after converting this into mixed fraction, the length of remaining rope is 17/20 meter. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now see question number 6 of your exercise 1D. A car covers 21 1/4 kilometer with 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover with 5 1/5 liter of petrol? So here the solution is distance covered by car in 1 liter of petrol is already given, that is 21 1/4 kilometer, or we can say 85/4 kilometer. Now distance covered by car in 5 1/5 liter is equal to 85/4 into 5 1/5. Now let us convert 5 1/5 into improper fraction. So that will become 26/5. Now after solving this, we will get the answer as 221/2 kilometer. That is equal to 110 1/2 kilometer. Clear? Now the next question is, if 2/3 of a rational number exceeds its 3/5 by 1/3/4, find the rational number. So the solution here is, let the rational number be x. Then according to the question, 2/3 of x minus, now exceed, here exceed means you will take minus 3/5 of x, that is equal to 7/4. So let us take the LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. So 10x minus 9x/15 is equal to 7/4. So this implies, after solving this, the value of x is 105/4. That is equal to 26/1/4. So the required rational number is 26/1/4. Children, before going further in the topic, let us take a short break of 5 minutes. During the break, solve the following question. Now the question here is, Rita walks 1.5 kilometer from a point A towards east, and then from there 3/8 kilometer towards west. Where will she be now from A? Students, try this question in your maths register. It is very interesting question. You will enjoy solving the question. Now you can pause the lesson for 5 minutes. 5 minutes break is over, children. Now let us discuss solution of the given question during the break. So let us denote the distance walked towards east by positive sign. Then the distance walked toward west would be denoted by negative sign. Let Rita be at point B. Rita's final destination from A to B will be 5/6 kilometer plus -2 3/8 kilometer. Right? We have considered this as negative. Now, let us add the two values by taking the LCM. First of all, convert both the values into improper fraction. So, it will become 11/6 plus -19/8. Now, this minus and plus will become minus. Now, the LCM is 24. So, after solving this, the answer is -13/24 kilometer. So, the final distance is negative. Therefore, Rita is at a distance of 13/24 kilometer towards west from the point A. I hope it is clear with the given figure A to B. Now, thank you everyone.